G'day! Discovery Mindblown set Planetarium Projector. 2-in-1 stars and planet projection. Picked this up on clearance from CBS. We got 24 photo slides. That's the front, and that's the back. Let's crack it open. With no unnecessary tape. We got the projector and the photo slides. 8 on each of these wheels. You also get this poster and the instructions. And it looks like we need 3 AA batteries. Got some rechargeable batteries. I think they're charged. Open up this panel here. It's buzzing. We've got the batteries in. Leg out. Installed. And switch it back to off mode. There are 2 ends. One for the stars and one for the projection. The slot has a small and large notch, which I guess correlates to these nubs for the orientation. Let's go with the blue one. Disc in. And we're going with the stars end. Let's go with the lights off. The camera may not be picking it up, but between those bright spots are little faint stars. So let's switch it around to the space mode. And basically, we've got a projection screen. And I can twist this end back and forth to adjust the focus. And right there, it's pretty crisp. I think you just twist the dial to get that. I'm holding this on my head because I have no shelf behind me. Hey, the moon's out. I think that's the sun. Oh no, it's daytime. I think that's a Horsehead Nebula. That looks like the Milky Way. And I'm guessing for the rest. From where I'm holding it, it's about 230 centimeters or 90 inches away from the wall. To see this size of an image at 63 centimeters or 25 inches. That's what it looks like when you forget to put a slide in. The further I step away from the wall, the blurrier it gets. But at least you can get that kind of a size. That's what you get in space mode. Now if you flip it around, there's nothing to it on the stars mode. It doesn't rely on the slides. And it's rotating slowly. You can hear a little humming of the little motor going in the background. There's no adjusting for the stars mode. You just have to find that sweet spot where it looks clear enough. If you wanted to, ratchet the arms around. And you can walk around in a traveling star show. But probably not in the brightest day, better in the darkest of night. That's the projection mode. There's a lot of click-clacking on these arms. But you can situate it however you need to. That's the star mode, so you shoot straight into the ceiling. Find the wall, and then that's the projecting mode. We can't see it in the light, you gotta turn them off. That's 2 planets on the wall, but only because I'm in the middle of a rotation. This either works best or at all if in total darkness. If there's a little bit of a light source coming in from the edge, it's not going to look well. I've got a lamp going at the diagonal far end of the room here. Right, so I'm going to start off on the table, then I'm going to walk backward until I hit the wall or trip over and see how big of an image I can get this to project. As far as I've gotten, it looks like it's about an 84 centimeter or a 33 inch wide image before it starts losing fidelity. Where I'm standing, I'm about 3.5 meters away from the wall, or 11.5 feet. Let's look right into the star machine. Size-wise, this is a compact projector. It's about 26 centimeters long, or 10 inches, and 14 centimeters, or 5.5 inches wide. And it's very light. Let's check out the rubbish. You got the main box, interior boxes, these blisters, the film over the projector bulb, that baggie, a silica packet, optional if you're keeping it, the poster, and the instructions. But I don't know if you're going to keep this or throw this. With this projector as is, there's no place to store these discs on board. You can save one in the chamber, but you still have these two to deal with. There's no pouch for them. So maybe you have to keep this baggie on hand. Because you'll drop them in. And I guess just tape it to the back here. And leave it as storage. See you next time on Alias the Jester.